Hai, bersama dengan Indra Jong Channel dengan Jordan
And with Mr. Dewa from English for Cempaka Putih.
And Miss Amel.
Yes. And today we are doing my first lesson or trial class with a smart, lovely boy named Jordan. His English is very good. He understands easily, and it's been nice doing a fun game with Jordan.
Oke, let's watch.
Bye everyone.
Listen. Put your hand. Listen. Look. Listen. Look. Raise your hand. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Listen. Look. Raise your hand. Open your book. Okay, can you do this again? Listen. Look. Yes. Raise your hand. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Open your book. Yeah. Do you want to play? Okay, wait, yes. Alright. Yes. You touch this. Listen. Do this. Jordan. Put your hand. Yes. Look. Yes. Stand up. Yes. Raise your hand. Okay. Sit down. Yes. Okay, come on, Jordan. Come here. I want you to touch this part. Touch. Yes. Wait. What's that? Listen. Okay, touch again. Look. Good job. Touch again. Yes. Stand up. Yes. Touch again. Raise your hand. Good job. And then what's that? Sit down. Come on, sit down. Yeah. Good job. Well done. Okay, come here, Jordan. Let's sing a song. Okay? Okay, sorry. Well, are you ready? Hello, small sound. How are you? You are happy, I am too. Sit down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Sit down. Stand up. Listen. Look. Raise your hand. Open your book. Hello, small sound. How are you? You are happy, I am too. Okay, I'm ready. Sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Listen. Look. Raise your hand. Open your book. Yeah, right. Good job. Sit down, please. Alright. Now, let's watch this video. Okay? Yes? About animals.
Welcome to the zoo. Let's explore. Look! It's a monkey. It can eat. Ouch! Listen. Look. It's a panda. It can sleep. Let's keep walking. Look, it's a tiger. It can jump. Look. Look, it's a zebra. It can run. I can run too. It's a monkey. It's a panda. It's a tiger. It's a zebra. I love the zoo.
Alright, now, Jordan, look at this. Look, what is it? Yes, very good. Look, what is it? Panda, very good. Look, what is it? Tiger. Look, it's a zebra. Yes. What is it? Zebra. Very good. Now, let's play a game. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't peep. Don't peep. Don't look at. Okay. Alright. Now, open your eyes. Now, I want you to find when Mr. Dewa is a monkey. And you find it's a monkey. Okay? Alright, okay. Come here. It's a zebra. Find zebra. Where is the zebra? Where is zebra? Where is the zebra? Come on. Which one zebra? Yes, take it. Take the dog. Give it to me. Yes. Thank you. Now, it's a tiger. Find a tiger. Good job. Okay, now sit down again. Close your eyes. 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 Okay, open your eyes. Okay, Jordan, come here. I want you to find is a panda. Okay, give it to me. Yes. It's a monkey. Yes, very good. Good job. Okay, sit down please. Sit down. Okay. So, what is it?
Monkey.
Okay, you say it's a monkey. What is it?
Monkey.
It's a monkey. What is it? It's a panda. Very good. What is it? It's a tiger. Good job. And then it's a zebra. High five. Good job. Well done. Now, how does it sound? Okay, look at this. Okay, can you say what is it?
Monkey.
3 fingers. It's a monkey. Yeah. What is it? It's a panda. What is it? It's a tiger. What is it? It's a zebra. Yes. Now, monkey. Can you say monkey?
Monkey. Monkey.
Okay, can you say? Yeah, can you say? Monkey. Good job. Okay. Microphone. Okay. Not ice cream. Okay.
Monkey.
Yes. Next. Panda.
Panda. Panda.
Can you say? Panda. Good job. Next. Tiger.
Tiger. Tiger.
Okay, I want you to say tiger. Good job. Well done. Yes. Next. Zebra.
Zebra. Zebra.
You should say zebra. Zebra. Very good. Now. Okay. Okay. So let's practice. Can you say? Monkey. Good job. And then panda. Good job. Next. Tiger. Tiger. Good job. Next. Zebra. Zebra. Okay. Now let's play again. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Okay. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Okay. Now, find panda. Which one? Okay. Give it. Take it. Honey. Okay. Next. Tiger. Okay. Wow. Okay. Good job. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Open your eyes. Stand up. Come here. Monkey. Monkey. Well done. Zebra. Good job. Yay! Smart. Okay. Right. Okay. Listen up. Look.
Whoa! It's a monkey.
And then
Look! It's a panda.
panda. Okay. Look.
Look! It's a tiger. Look! It's a zebra.
Look, it's a zebra. Yes. Okay. Next. Monkey. Say, monkey can eat. Eat. How do you eat? Yum 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 yum. Come on. Yum 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 yum. Yeah. Monkey can eat. And then panda. Panda can sleep. Sleep. Okay. And then tiger can jump. Come on, jump, 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 jump. Okay. Yes. And then zebra can run. Okay, go run, 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 run. Okay, sit down. Okay. Yes. Wait. I'll be back. Okay. Good job. Next. Okay. Eat. Sleep. Jump. Run. Yes. Okay. Good job. Next. Okay. All right. Ta-da! Okay. Jordan, can you stand up here? Yes, stand up, stand up, stand up. Good job. Good job. Now, I want you to touch, okay? Listen.
Run.
One.
It can run.
Which one? It can run. Run. Which animal? Yes, very good. Next.
It can eat.
Yes. Good job. Next.
It can sleep.
Sleep. Yes, one more. One more. Yes. Next.
It can jump.
Jump. Yes. One more. Yes. And then
It can run.
it can run. Yes. Yes. Good job. Very good. All right. Next. Sit down. Okay, Jordan, you can sit down. And let's watch this. Okay.
It's a monkey. It can eat. It's a panda. It can sleep. It's a tiger. It can jump. It's a zebra. It can run. Where is the box?
Yes. Okay. Where is the box, Jordan? Is it a box? No. Is it a box? No. Is it a box? No. Is it a box? Yes. Very good. All right. Okay. So remember again. Can you say monkey? Say
Monkey.
panda,
Panda.
tiger,
Tiger.
zebra, zebra. Okay. Yes. Okay. So let's sing goodbye song. Okay. Okay. Come on, sing.
Put your books away, put your books away, wave, wave, clap, clap, clap. Put your chairs away, put your chairs away, wave, wave, clap, clap, clap. Goodbye teacher, goodbye friends, Roddy, Kermit, Mel and Dan. Line up together, 1, 2, 3, wave goodbye. Sing with me.
Okay. Ta-da! This is for you. Okay? Yes. So, Jordan, you can have this. Ta-da! Okay? Yes, you can put the sticker. Alright? Thank you. High five. Good job. Yeah.